Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make mayonnaise. Let's start. 1 egg. That egg needed to be at room temperature. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Sugar 1/4 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Vinegar 1 teaspoon. Oil 1 cup. Add gradually until right consistency. Blend until well combined and smooth in texture. Blend for 30 seconds and then add oil gradually. Where are you watching us from? Write in the comment so I can thank you all. Homemade mayonnaise is ready. Can be kept in refrigerator for up to 1 week. Don't forget to like and share this recipe. Thanks for watching.